How to enable Face ID on Gate.io or the Gate application from your smartphone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In order to enable the Face ID on your Gate application using iOS, first of all, launch open the Gate application on your device and sign in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From this page, go ahead and select your username from the top and click on Security on the next page. Inside the Security tab, click on the App Unlock button from the bottom. You'll then be able to see two different options. One is Pattern and another is Face ID. Go ahead and select the toggle button right next to Face ID and turn it on. Now in the pop-up, click on Allow to scan your Face ID from your iOS. Once it is done, you have turned on the Face ID option on Gate application. So there you have it. Now under Auto Lock, go ahead and tap the input frequency. If you want your application to lock immediately after 2 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on, I'm just going to select immediately. And now, once you are done, let's close off this application for now. Launch it open again, and it'll ask you to scan your Face ID. Once you scan your Face ID, you'll be accessed back to your account again. So now you can simply look at your phone or your device and log into your Gate account quickly and securely. No more typing passwords every time, smooth and safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.